Good morning friends, welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about Varaha Mira's Brit Samhita chapter 19, which says that if the king of the year is Mars, then it can prove like an ammunition dump, and more so because the king of the year in the Pisces new moon chart of the 12th April 2021 8 a.m. is Mars, because Pratipada falls on the Tuesday and hence Mars is the king of the year. And interestingly, on the 13th April 2021 Sun is also ingressing in Aries, so and it is a Tuesday, so the minister of the year is also Mars, and a hard malefic who's afflicted by Rahu, forming a Angarak Yoga in the Lagna, the Taurus Lagna, the identical to the India Foundation chart, is another most sensitive parameter. Now all this adds to that Mars may create emergency-like situations in the country. I have written this article after writing 6-7 more articles on Mars transit from Taurus to Leo, and I find that Mars will be most enigmatic for not only for India but for the complete world. And we have seen the Angarak Yoga between the 22nd of February till now, it has proved hell on earth, and we have seen all that whatever was predicted by me has proved spot on. Now we are talking about the I will talk about this Angarak Yoga and the Pisces new moon chart. The Mars is the king of the year since it falls on Tuesday on the Pratipada, the 13th April 2021, and interestingly Sun also ingresses in Aries on the 13th April 2021, and Mars is the king and the minister of the year and a hard malefic and afflicted in the ascendant of the Hindu new moon Pisces chart of the 12th April 2021 8 am may prove ammunition dump. The transit of Mars from the 12th April to 20th July 2021 may prove most enigmatic, as can be seen from the planetary positions, and as per Varaha Mira's Brit Samhita chapter 19 Grah Varsh Fal Adhyay. I have written more than 15 articles on Angarak Yoga, and whatever has been predicted, whether it is coronavirus, whether it is natural or unnatural calamity or earthquakes, have proved all spot on. And I mentioned that between 23rd to 3rd of April will be most sensitive time, because Mars and Rahu will also be in Rohini Nakshatra, and then till the 28th Mars and Rahu will also be in the same Navamsha, and Saturn will also join in the same Navamsha from the 25th March to 28th of March. So that was another very sensitive area, and therefrom the coronavirus has taken an ugly shape. In fact, especially after Rahu and Ketu ingressing in the Gemini and Sagittarius axis, where the eclipse of the solar eclipse has taken place in the sign Sagittarius. I am talking about the Navamsha. Rahu and Ketu have ingressed in the Gemini and Sagittarius Navamsha. Ketu in Sagittarius Navamsha and Rahu in Gemini. And Sagittarius is the same sign from where the when there was solar eclipse on the 26th December 2019, the coronavirus had sprouted. Now, I have written an article on the 1st of March, what stars foretell for the Chaitra Pratipada Pisces new moon chart having Angarak Yoga in the ascendant. I am rewriting it, trying to explain it and joining with other parameters like and explaining it how difficult it could be. I have written enough on Angarak Yoga, which is taking place in the ascendant of the India Foundation chart on the 22nd February to 14th April. The most sensitive 19 degrees conjunction of Mars and Rahu on the 27th 2021 has proved spot on, and I had also predicted the same when Mars was in Rohini in the year on 21st April 2019. Mars was at Rohini in 19 degrees Vishagati, and we all know that there was a serial of blast in Sri Lanka, and my prediction which were given in the Express Star Terror proved spot on. The Pisces new moon chart of the 2021 is falling on 12th April 2021 8 am. It is of Taurus Lagna. The sign rising is Taurus and the same as the ascendant of the foundation chart of India. The parameter is considered most sensitive, especially when the Mars and Rahu are forming a Angarak Yoga in the ascendant. The Chaitra Shukla Pratipada will fall on Tuesday, hence the king of the year is Mars. And as I already explained, the Sun in Aries is ingressing on the 13th of April and it is a Tuesday. So the minister of the year is also Mars. The Panchang of the day is Monday and the Lord is Moon, placed in the 11th house with Sun with debilitated Mercury. Now Sun and Moon are both also near Gandanta degrees. Moon is placed in the Yama of Taurus, the Lagna, and the Yama Lord Venus is placed in the 12th house with the star of Ketu, who is placed in the 7th house of Wars, is most malefic parameter in the chart. The Karna is Kinstu Gana, a fixed Karna considered to be most malefic for a Kara Siddhi. The Lord of is Sun and the 10th Lord is, it is also considered as 10th Lord is most malefic as per this parameter. The Yoga is Vedriti and most inauspicious, and the Lord is Jupiter placed in the 10th house is another parameter which cannot be ignored. And this 6th Lord Venus in the Rahu Ketu axis in the D8 and shows the disease spread, and a lingering disease is on the cards. What is the lingering disease? Which lingering disease is there already? It is the coronavirus. So it shows that the disease, will be a lingering disease in this year as well. And the country and the world will also be having influence of this coronavirus. And it will remain a lingering disease. Since the Chaitra Shukla Pratipada is falling on Tuesday, the king of the year is Mars under affliction in the ascendant. As per Brahmina, we have mentioned already that when Mars becomes the king of the year, then the signification of Mars proud with dimension, fear from major fire accidents, earthquakes, windstorms, violence by terrorists, loss of wealth and animals, irregular rainfalls, loss of crops, lightning from the sky, misadventures by the king of the country, spread of disease through those related with heat. Mars is ammunition dump and is a planet which triggers the events just by pressing of the bell. Activation of the sensitive arc in the zodiac may prove most crucial between the 24th, 25th April to 16th May, as has been mentioned in all my articles. 24th is the 6.2 degrees of the great conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn, and 16th May is the most crucial conjunction of Jupiter and Venus at 18.4 degrees. So both these sensitive arcs will be activated by Mars, and during this period Mars will be giving Veda to Saturn. It is not good. Mars will be in the sign Gemini and Saturn will be in the signs Capricorn, and Mars will be transiting over the natal Mars of the India Foundation chart at 7 degrees. When it reaches 7 degrees on the 30th of April, it can create hell. It is not good. So friends, the 8th house is also in Pap Katri Yoga, shows the happening with the important leaders of the country. A major reshuffle in the cabinet is not ruled out. Most important predictions in this article: Mars is the lord of the 12th and the 7th house and afflicted in the ascendant is crystal clear of the conspiracy and espionage from foreign elements. Hence, terrorism cannot be ruled out. The Mars affliction to the ascendant and the king of the year indicates emergency-like situations in the country from the 12th April to the transit of Mars in the sign Scorpio till the 16th January 2022. In a nutshell, the time frame from the 14th April to 20th July seems to be worse, especially between 24th to 16th May, when Mars will be Veda between Mars and Saturn in the Rashi and Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra. The opposition of Mars and Saturn from the 2nd June to 20th July can be explosive, most enigmatic, as can be seen from the planetary position. It has been observed from the past that whenever Mars influences the 7th house in the new moon chart, It's time for agony and pain and disturbances in the country. In the Pisces new moon chart of the year 2020-21, the sign rising was Cancer, and Mars and Saturn were placed in the 7th house, and we have had spread of coronavirus and complete world suffered due to the affliction of Mars. This affliction is there till 14th April 2021. As far as transit is concerned, and the other time frames mentioned above can be responsible for the surge in coronavirus in the country with dimension in the year 2021-22 may also be parallel like the previous year. The Kurma Chakra indicates the northeast region, and as per the moon star, central region of India as per the stars of Mars and Rahu, and west as per the Ketu, the Karka for disease and virus. The Vimshotri Dasha for foundation chart of India is Moon Saturn till 10th July 2021 is most enigmatic since it is forming a Vish and a Punarfu Yoga. Both are conjunct in the sign Cancer. The third house of border clashes is most enigmatic. It could also mean railway accidents, rail and air accidents. The transiting Saturn in the sign Capricorn and Jupiter in the sign Aquarius are parallel to planetary position at the time of 20th October 1962 when we had war with China. Then I have given the chart of India and then the chart of 20th October 1962, what were the planetary combinations. Then the Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra at the time of war, we had, what do you call, Veda between Mars and Saturn and Ketu. And we have now parallel situations from the 25th April and then 1st and then in June, July, especially the 1st and 2nd July. The following parameters are identical. Mars and Saturn opposition at exact 18 degrees on the 20th October 1962. There was similar opposition, but both Mars and Saturn were also in Rahu-Ketu axis. Here, there is only Mars and Saturn will be opposing each other. Saturn in Capricorn and Jupiter in Aquarius, absolutely parallel situations. Rahu in Rohini Nakshatra, most venomous in both cases. In the axis of Cancer Capricorn is afflicted in both cases by Saturn in Shravana star. The Taurus Scorpio axis is afflicted in the present and the future by Rahu Ketu axis. The Lagna Lord and the 6th Lord of the foundation chart Venus is under affliction. The most critical parameters are Saturn in Shravana, Rahu in Rohini, and then first Mars in Ardra when it will be in the sign Gemini. All the above indicative of border clashes and tensions and neighbors with Pakistan and China. China may be on an aggressive stance and may also use Pakistan by aggressive stance. The only grace is that Mars and Saturn are not in Rahu Ketu axis, but Rahu will be influencing Saturn and Ketu will be influencing Mars. So that is another point which we cannot forget. And also Rahu in Rohini star. Rahu in Rohini star is most malefic, as I already explained about it. Any malefic in Rohini has proved most detrimental as per the past. Now I mentioned read my articles. Have a look at the Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra between 24th April to 16th May and 16th May, because there is degree opposition. So I have drawn the chart of 16th May for Rashi and Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra. In the Pisces new moon chart, Sun, the 4th Lord, is with the 5th Lord Mercury in the 11th house with moon, shows some recovery in the manufacturing industry. The recovery in the economy may start after the Dasha of Moon Saturn ends on the 10th July, since they will be forming a Vish Yoga till then, which is extremely bad for the economy of the country. I hope some recovery in the Moon Mercury Dasha from the 10th of July 2021, and especially after the 20th November 2021, because when Jupiter is out of fallen stage, a Jupiter in fallen stage is most malefic at that point of time. When it is fallen between 14th September to 20th November, it is the 8th Lord and it will be placed in the 8th from Moon. Although it will aspect the 2nd house, but a debilitated and a fallen planet aspecting the 2nd house is not good for the economy of the country. In the Pisces, okay, Angarak Yog is most dangerous for the celebrities of the country, and the top business magnates along with ruler of the country may also be influenced adversely. I have already made predictions for Narendra Modi via my article I mentioned. In the natal chart of Narendra Modi, the Dasha of Mars and Rahu, first Mars and then Mars Rahu will be most enigmatic one, and the Dasha in operation will be in 2021-22. Mars is a functional malefic for Scorpio Lagna since the Mool Trikona sign falls in the 6th house, and as per Tamil classics, when Mars is placed in a own sign, it loses lordship of the other house. Also, Mars is in 0 degrees and in Mrit Avastha, although it is forming a Panch Mahapurush Yog from Lagna and the Moon. These parameters of concern. The Lagna Lord and the 6th Lord Mars is in Gandanta, and as per the Vedic progression chart for the year September 2021 to September 2022 is most venomous and enigmatic one for his health issues and other issues. Please read my article in this. Then the explosive threat letter found in stolen car, Ambani's house. Jammu and Kashmir, war-prone and torn state. Mars and Saturn in the 7th house of wars makes the state war-prone, and not a single day passes when we don't get news of terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir. The transit of nodes over the natal nodes and Mars and Saturn opposition from the 2nd June to 20th July can be most explosive for the Cancer Capricorn axis being activated. Have a look at the chart. So I have explained the chart, I have given the reasons, and there could be, note the degrees of Mars, 21 degrees. Mars will be at these degrees on the 6th and 7th July 2021 may prove explosive for Jammu and Kashmir, as can be seen from the planetary position. When Mars goes in the sign Cancer on the 2nd June to 20th July will be most prone period, since then the natal Mars Capricorn axis and Taurus Scorpio axis will be activated, and natal chart since the nodes will be activated along with Mars and Saturn. I fear to write any more here on this. Heavy border clashes are on the cards since when Mars activates the 19 degrees arc in the sign Capricorn from the sign Gemini on the 15th, 17th May, and then from on the 1st, 2nd July 2021. It will be 21 degrees on the 6th, 7th July can prove ammunition dump. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share. Now I give you the nutshell. There are written so many articles, all articles have been mentioned here. Whether it is coronavirus, whether it is natural or unnatural calamities, or on the cards. From the above, it is obvious that the Pisces new moon chart of the 12th April 2021 to 11th April 2022 is most enigmatic. Maybe it is war with neighbors, virus spread, economy, effect on the economy, natural, unnatural disasters, political tug of war, signification of Mars may blow up specifically till July 2021. The Dasha of Moon Mercury after the 10th July may bring little relief, it so seems, but again after the 14th September to 20th November is most enigmatic time frame, since Jupiter will be in a fallen stage in the 9th house of India Foundation chart, and religious fundamentalism is not ruled out along with influence on the economy of the country. Things may only improve after the 20th July and then after the 20th November 2021. So this is all, friends, I just wanted to share that the situations will be parallel to emergency like situations because Mars is going to play hell. So this is all I just wanted to share, friends. Thank you for listening to me, and have a good day and best of luck. Let's see what happens. Thank you.